so, huh? What happened to him? Papa.
He's getting scored on.
Gonna roll up?
Yeah.
Good, thank you. Thank you. That's a good one.
Why?
More? I think we're supposed to have like twice as many that's on there.
What do you think, Julia? Julia, can I get a big smile? Can I get a big smile?
Show Uncle Kelly your big smile without your soother. Okay. Gotta open up our dough. You taking that half, and Nana take this half? Are you making bread? Oh.